Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate all the support you've been showing on videos, so look forward to more content coming soon. Now with that being said, today's video I figured I'd show you how to make the perfect rice. Now today I'm using basmati rice, which has an incredible flavor, but this method can be used with pretty much any rice that you want to use. So I don't normally measure when I do rice, but if you want to measure, then you need just about 1 cup of rice for this recipe. Next, you want to cover the rice with just enough water, don't drown it, and you just want to leave it sitting there for about 20 to 30 minutes. Now I know 20 to 30 minutes may seem like a lot, but let's be honest, a lot of us spend 20 to 30 minutes on our phones anyway. The very next thing you want to do is add a tablespoon of butter and stir it around in a hot pan for just a few seconds. Now would be a great time for you to drain your rice and give it a nice warm shower, and then just let it sit there for about 2 minutes to fully dry off. Okay, so go ahead and add your rice to your hot pan of butter and just stir that thing around. Get all fancy with it. Do freestyle, you know? Get fun. And just a little tip, when you add your water, put salt with your water for more flavor. I promise you it's going to make a world of difference, and it's going to make that rice taste so much better. I promise. Once you place the lid on your rice, leave it there for about 8 to 10 minutes, and then just come back and check on it. So after 8 to 10 minutes with the lid over your rice, there should be no water left at the bottom. Congratulations, your rice is ready to go. It's nice and smooth, there's no starch, it is perfect. So again, this is basmati rice, but you can use this method for any rice that you want to use because it's a good way of getting rid of all of that starch. I'm going to add some vegetables. I got some spinach, tomatoes, garlic, onions. You know how we do it. Hook it up. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you for stopping by. Leave a like and subscribe for more content coming in the future. I cannot wait. But with that being said, thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.